Haven't flown in about 6 days. Starting the day off with a Wawa Sizzly and my coffee. July 1st, I'm actually gonna be coming home on the 4th of July, having a big party celebration, so stay tuned, you'll see that after this trip. I'm hesitant to say what my trip is gonna be, because every day we're actually supposed to go through Dallas. And if you know, as a flight attendant, or even as a passenger connecting, going through Dallas, so we'll see. We're supposed to end up in San Francisco tonight, and then on the second day of this trip, we're supposed to end up in Denver. Not expecting too full of flights, even though we are dead smack in the middle of summer flying. I'm gonna finish my breakfast, and I'll catch y'all somewhere else.
We have made it to the hotel. After a long day of flying, I'm eating now and about to go to the gym and work out. I'm excited about my meal prepping improvement, I'll say. And I'm eating my meal prep, which is coming from Cook Unity. They are what you would call chef-inspired meals. They have the chef's name on here. The name of this one is Creamy Marry Me Chicken. If you ever had Marry Me Chicken, you know it's hidden. So this is the second time I've actually ordered it. This is the second week that I've been using Cook Unity. Funniest thing is I said I want to use Cook Unity because, you know, when I go to work, we're spending most of our time in airports and hotels, and purchasing airport and hotel food adds up. So I thought, what would be better than to find a meal prep service that would allow me to pack healthy, nutritious food and save time and money. Cooking as a flight attendant is tiresome. I was on reserve last month in June, so I really had no idea where I was going and no idea, you know, how many days I would be gone, if I was going at all. I just sat on call for the last 3 days of June, so I didn't go anywhere. I had my Cook Unity meals, so I was still able, you know, to make sure I had a healthy, nutritious meal. I'm back on my gym tip, and these meals allow me to kind of get my protein and my carbs in without having to really think about counting macros, because this meal itself is 650 calories, 39 grams of protein, 29 grams of fat, and 56 grams of carbs. Let me show you this before I eat it all. This is the Marry Me Chicken with the asparagus and the rice. Perfect meal for a pre-workout. So I'm gonna grub on this, and then when we get back to the gym, when we get back from the gym, Love Island will be out. So I'm gonna tap into that. I'll check in with y'all later.
Going to the hotel gyms is definitely a hack, especially if you don't like going to public gyms and might feel, you know, insecure or self-conscious about people seeing you work out. Usually hotel gyms are empty. So that's what I've been doing. I do have my membership at Planet Fitness, but when I'm on the road, I hit these hotel gyms. I hit a chest workout. I thought I was going to do a full body workout, but it was a tiring day of flying. I like to make sure that my form is slow and controlled, using weights that I can control. I feel like that's going to really increase the bulk and just safety when I'm working out. Like I mentioned, I try to go as often as possible, at least 3 times a week. As a flight attendant, that is a big tip. Hit the gym when you're on your layovers. I know you might not feel like it, but change your clothes as soon as you land and hit that gym.
Workout complete. Just focus on chest. It's flying a lot today, so kind of just wanted to get a pump in. Now I'm about to go shower, eat again, and tune in to Love Island Movie Night Part 2.
Good morning. It's day 2 of 3. We are about to head downstairs for van time. I would say the key to a great day is a good night's sleep. That's what I think I got. About 7 hours of sleep. Not the best, not the worst. But we have 2 flights today. We are headed from here in San Francisco back to Dallas. And then we're headed from Dallas to Denver. I'm loving these 2 days of this trip because we're traveling away from the East Coast, which is being plagued with one of the hottest weeks of the year, if not in history. So it's a blessing to be in 70 degrees moderate temperatures here on the West Coast. And then Denver's probably going to be no more than 80 degrees, if that. So I'm praying for you if you're on the East Coast watching this right now. Hopefully you're staying cool, because I definitely am. It's about 5:07 West Coast time. That makes it 8:07 a.m. East Coast time. So, my body's still adjusting. But it's going to be a good day. You got to believe it's going to be a good day for it to be a good day. Check in with y'all later.
We are in Denver. The time is 6:39. What is this? Central time, Mountain time, who knows? And I am eating like my second meal of the day. This is another Cook Unity meal. Chicken franchise. 55 grams of protein, 42 grams of fat, 73 grams of carbs, 910 calories. It has lemon caper sauce and herb rice. I have no idea what franchise is. Maybe it's like fried or something. This is chicken breast, so it might be a little dry. Actually not. It's actually pretty moist there. Today was actually a pretty easy day of flying. We went through Dallas again like we did yesterday. No delays, slightly. The plane came from Miami, actually 50 minutes late. You love it when the days go right. I like to talk about them after they happen from now on, because as you can see in my previous video and any of my TikToks, when I talk about the plans, they never come to fruition. Our flights were pretty empty, given that it's 4th of July weekend, which you never complain about. It's just surprising. If I could dump this rice in this bowl, that would make it 10 times better. This layover's pretty short. We gotta be up at 3:30. Well, I think we have the van time at 3:30. Because we have to be at the airport at 4. My alarm is going to go off at 2:50 in the morning. It's pretty crazy. So, I'll catch you on the flip side. 4th of July is coming. We're having a huge party at my crib. I'll check in with y'all in the morning, and then we're going to turn up on 4th of July.
We are back in Philly, and when I tell you, it is too hot here. Like, too hot. I don't know if it's been this hot in 250 years. Once again, happy 4th of July to everybody. We are about to head to the crib. Man, that was a beautiful trip. It wasn't easy waking up so early, but no delays, left early, landed early in every spot, and that is rare when you go through Dallas. My thermometer on my car says 109 degrees. I have no idea what the rest of this day is going to look like. I'm about to take you with me. Man.
It's really the calm before the storm. We are out here at the compound, aka my crib, before our 4th of July annual party. Grill going, DJ set up, tables and chairs set up, drinks in the cooler. You feel me? Fireworks in the cut. When you see what we do, you're going to think it was on the Benjamin Franklin Parkway. I'm telling you that right now. Welcome to the 4th of July celebration.